channel. This is experiment of memories. So today we'll be dealing with practical on Waec. This is practical. So today we'll be dealing with experiment on memories, the moment of memories. So apparatus needed is crystal rule, two retort stand, the clamp, the thread, and the stopwatch. So this is the diagram of the retort stand, the first retort stand and the second retort stand. This is the thread, and this is also the first thread and the second thread. So this is the meter rule here. So for the distance, from this distance to the second distance will be measured, will be given to us. And we measure the length, is the difference between the first distance and the second distance. So that is our L. Now from the question given to us, from the question, it says, adjust the meter rule and support that the loops of the thread are at 5 centimeter and 95 centimeter. That means you set your apparatus as shown from the diagram given to you. So after setting it, then you make sure you check the loop. So the thread will be placed on 5 centimeter from the left hand side and 95 centimeter from the right hand side. So the difference between this first measurement and the second measurement is what we get as our length, which is the first one, which is 5 centimeter and 95 centimeter. So the difference between them, if you measure the difference, will be what? 90.0 centimeter. That is our length. Now, after we set that, then we just place it, just displace it a little. Then we start our stopwatch. Immediately. So after we start our stopwatch, so where it is given to us, we just record it for 20 oscillation. That means, for instance, for the first one now, when we did this first experiment at 90 centimeter, which is the difference between the length. So we get for our T1 to be 30.31 centimeter, and for T2 we get 28.72 centimeter. Then they ask us to find the T average. Then we add the T1 and T2 together, divided by 2 to get our T average. Then we get our period. So our period will be T divided by the number of oscillation, and we are given the number of oscillation equals to 20. That means for us to get our period, we will divide this T average by N, which is T divided by 20 oscillation, we get our period. So from the question given to us, they said we should find the inverse of T, which is the inverse of period. Your answer here, that will be 1 over your answer. And mind you, in length, this is centimeter, you must convert it to meter. Are you getting me? Convert the distance from centimeter to meter. So you can convert this. This will be 90 divided by 100, which is 90 divided by 100, which is what? 0.9 meter. So our new length will be 0.9 meter. And in past question, Waec question, they said you should find the log of L and find the log of T. And this is your T. So you find the log of T, then you find the log of L. So make sure you set this apparatus as shown in the diagram. So this is the question given to us. Just make sure you set your apparatus, the first meter stand and the second meter stand. And the distance between the clamp to the ruler is L0, which is 55.0 centimeter, which is constant throughout the experiment. And for each experiment, you must check with your ruler. Make sure you check with your ruler. If it is still 55 centimeter, you can see this is 55 centimeter. Are you getting now? So for each experiment, you must check to be 55 centimeter. So these are around 55 centimeter. So you can now experience the moment. Are you getting me now? So the first one is 5 centimeter here and 95 centimeter here. Now the second will be 10 centimeter. You just make sure you adjust it to 10 centimeter. Make sure you adjust it to 10 centimeter on your ruler. Are you getting me? Then this one should be what? 90 centimeter. Adjust this also to be 90 centimeter. So these are 90 centimeter. Then you adjust your retort stand. Make sure you adjust your retort stand. Then this is the second length given to us, 90 and 10 centimeter and 90 centimeter. For us to get our accurate length, we have to measure the distance between here and here, which is the distance between the first length and the second length is what? Is 80 centimeter. That is how we get our end to be what? To be 80 centimeter. So for each length, we measure the distance between the first length of the thread and the second length of the thread. Then we get our accurate length. So that is how this experiment goes. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.